And today we will introduce you guys our diode laser for hair removal. And about our diode laser, I invited our Joey to make a explain of the machine body and the technology to you guys. So say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody, this is Joey. Nice to see you all.
Okay. First of all, nowadays I heard the diode laser for hair removal is pretty popular in the market. So we also published many versions of diode laser. So how about our diode lasers certifications? I mean, this is important because some countries they ask for some certifications.
Our diode laser have the FDA Medical C and the TGA certification, which prove its safety and prove its quality in the market.
So I heard we got many versions of diode laser, like I just mentioned. So what is its wavelength? So does it only has 808?
No, this is a 3-in-1 wavelength diode laser, and including the 808 and 755 and 1064.
Alright, so you mean you put those three wavelengths together in one, right?
Yes, we put these three wavelengths together in one system, and it will change automatically according to the skin type and the treatment area the user choose.
So what if I just need 808 wavelengths? Can you make it only 808?
Yeah, no problem. We can customize the wavelength according to your requirement.
Alright, so we just talk about the lasers, so we can't miss the laser bar. So so what is the quality of the laser bar?
There are 10 laser bars imported from the American Sincoheren company in the handle, and the Sincoheren is one of the most famous brands for the laser bar in the world to ensure its stable wavelength.
Alright, I heard this company before, so it's a pretty good company.
Yeah.
Alright, so you mentioned the import from American, right?
Yeah.
So is there any other body parts import from other countries?
Yes, also imported from America is the water pump. It's much higher than other similar device, which can make it better cooling and have a longest operating time. And what's more, our power supply in this machine is imported from the Japan Lanza company.
Alright, you just mentioned 2 points. The first one is the cooling system, right?
Yeah.
We got what kind of a cooling system we got?
There are three cooling systems combined together. One is the wire cooling, the water cooling, and the semiconductor to make it safety operation.
So what is so the temperatures, the lowest temperatures, how it can be reached?
And the lowest temperature of the handle can reach the -4 degree, and the highest temperature is 10 degree.
That's good. Alright, so the second point you mentioned is the operating time. So what is the longest operating time of this machine?
With the imported power supply and the cooling system, it can operating for 8 hours at a time.
So I can be operating this machine for 8 hours continuously.
Yes.
I just heard some clients complain to me before. For example, they use their diode laser for like 4 hours or 5 hours. The machine's burned.
Yes, it's the problem of the cooling system and the power supply, because when you operate the machine, and it will become hot.
Yes, I heard that. So what about the cartridge of this machine? I mean the handle. How many times can be used of this handle?
Up to 300 million shots.
300 million, right?
Yes, 300 million.
That's pretty much. Alright. So what is the result of this machine? I mean, how many times need I do to reach the permanent hair removal? Because everybody said the laser can reach permanent hair removal, right?
Yeah, it can reach a permanent result, and we suggest that people can do the treatment once a month. And generally speaking, we believe that after 3 to 6 treatment will reach the best result. But it's different between each person, because the period of the hair growth is different, and it may have different in the skin color and the hair color. But we believe that 3 to 6 treatment can reach a best result.
Okay, we all know there is some starborn hair color in the hair, and so for example, white hair and gold hair is pretty stubborn. This machine is efficient for those hairs?
Yes, because it's a 3-in-1 wavelength machine, and it's applied to all skin type and body parts. There are 6 skin type and 5 body part can be chosen with this system. And each when the user choose the skin type and the body part, it will have a suggested parameter automatically. And with this automatically parameter, it is safe and effective. But when doing the treatment, the user can adjust the parameter according to the feeling and the refresh of the client.
Alright, that's pretty amazing. So, is there any other point you want to introduce to everybody of this machine?
Yes, it's a user-friendly system, and to ensure that the machine are always operating in a safety environment, we set a automatically checking system. When switch on the machine, it will check all the part of the machine automatically to ensure that all of it is safe. So people don't need to worry about it when using.
Alright, that's pretty friendly to somebody who is an amateur, so they can perfectly control this machine, right? So that's our machines about our diode lasers. You're welcome to ask a question to us, and if you're interested in our machine, please contact me anytime. Thank you all.